Hey guys, how you doing? Today I'm gonna teach you and dear Tara how to talk like a native American. So without further ado, let's go. So you ready?
Yes.
Very good. Today I'm gonna teach you some words and expressions that you can use instead of just simple expressions and simple words. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, right there.
Okay.
Instead of saying I'm fine, you can just say I'm fit as a fiddle.
I'm fit as a fiddle.
I'm fit
I'm fit
as a fiddle.
as a fiddle.
Yeah. It means the same way. It means I'm fine. But, I mean, in a native way. Yeah. Or you can say, I'm chill.
I'm chill.
Yeah. That sentence, I mean, in different situations, you can just say it like differently. Sometimes you can say it like, I'm chill, yo.
I'm chill, yo.
Or you can just say it without energy. Just, I'm chill.
I'm chill. Bro.
Yeah. No, not bro. Bro part was the previous
Yes.
section. I mean, this situation is different. It's like someone asks you, how do you feel? And you're gonna say, I'm chill.
I'm chill.
Yeah, just as casual as you can. I'm chill.
I'm chill.
Yeah, it's like, I'm good. And you can use it like a lot. But I'm chill, yo. I'm chill, bro. No, you cannot use that a lot, but you can use this expression, I mean, multiple times, like in different situations. I'm chill.
I'm chill.
Yeah. Or sometimes you can say it like to say that you don't have any stress. Yeah, I'm chill. I'm chill. And you can say to yourself, hey, Tara, you're chill. You're good. Yeah. How do you do these days?
And some of my friends just came over. We're going to hang out and do some girly
So you're busy,
things.
right?
Yeah.
So instead of saying I'm busy, you can simply say I'm swamped.
I'm swamped.
Swamped,
What
yes.
swamped me?
Yeah, it means I'm busy, but in a native way.
Um,
It means I'm swamped with bunch of works. I'm swamped with lots of chores and just things to do, right? So you can say, instead of saying, I'm busy, I'm busy, I'm busy, you can say, I'm swamped.
I'm swamped.
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 Yes, now say it with more energy.
I'm swamped.
That was not a lot of energy. Like, say it with energy.
I'm swamped.
Oh my God. Yeah, maybe the reason you say like that is that you're swamped and you don't have any energy.
That's the point.
So, okay, but my students should have energy on
I
classes.
have energy.
Okay, very good. We can say, I'm snowed under.
I'm snowed under.
Yes, but no. I'm snowed under. No, it's just a phrase. It's an idiom. You should say it like together. I mean, I'm snowed under.
I'm snowed under.
Not snowed under. I'm snowed under. It means I'm swamped. It means I'm buried under the snow. I'm snowed under.
I'm snowed under.
Yeah, it means I'm busy.
I'm busy.
I'm so busy.
I'm so busy.
Yes. So how was your grades in high school?
It was good.
Yeah?
I was smart.
Yeah. Okay. So instead of saying smart, you know, what can you say?
No.
You can say brainy.
I was brainy.
Yeah. I'm brainy.
I'm brainy.
It means I'm smart.
I'm smart.
Yeah. Or you can say I'm sharp as a tack.
I'm sharp as a tack.
Yes.
Tack, tack, tack.
Tack means kind of needle. Yeah. But yeah, I'm sharp as a tack. It's like
Sharp as a tack.
I'm smart. I'm brainy.
I'm brainy.
Sharp as a tack.
I'm sharp as a tack.
Yeah, so a native speaker, yes, he also says I'm smart, but if you want to talk like a native, you can say I'm sharp as a tack,
I'm sharp as a tack.
I'm brainy.
I'm brainy.
Yes,
I'm brainy.
yeah. So you ready?
Yes.
So, ready for what?
I'm ready for
Practicing?
practicing.
Yes. So instead of saying ready,
Ready.
you can say I'm set.
I'm set.
Yeah, I'm set.
I'm set.
I'm good to go.
I'm good to go.
Yeah. So imagine someone calls you and says, hey, you ready? And you're gonna say, good to go.
Good to go.
All good to go.
All good to go.
So when you don't have any money, you are,
Broke.
yes, you are broke. But a native speaker says, I'm flat broke.
I'm flat.
Flat,
Flat.
broke.
Broke.
Yes. I'm flat broke. It's like this is broke, this is dirt, this is flat broke. Yeah, right? So, or you can say, I'm down and out.
I'm down and out.
I'm down and out.
I'm down and out.
Yeah, it means I'm broke.
I'm broke.
So, are you?
No.
So, you're wealthy.
Yes.
You're rich. I knew it. I knew it. You have like the rich vibe in your eyes. So you watch scary movies, right?
Yeah.
So when you watch scary movies, you're scared.
Yeah.
Okay. So instead of saying I'm scared, you can say I'm petrified.
Petrified. When I was afraid, I was petrified.
Yes, exactly. You can say I'm petrified. You can say, and in some other situations, for when you're scared, you can say, I mean, other situations, you can say, I'm freaked out.
I'm freaked
I mean,
out.
some things is so weird but scary at the moment, so you can say, I'm freaked out.
I'm freaked out.
Or if you're scared and you have doubts, you can say, I've got cold feet.
I've got cold feet.
Yes, I've got cold feet. Like your feet are cold. So you can say, I've got cold feet. It means I'm scared and doubtful. So
And doubtful.
I've got cold feet.
I've got cold.
Yes. So
Feet.
you cannot say, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared for all situation. So you have to say it like a Native American. That situation, petrified, I mean, scared movies. When you're doubtful and scared, you can say, I've got cold feet.
I've got cold feet.
Yes. Maybe if something is weird and it scares you, you can say,
I've got cold feet.
no,
I'm petrified.
no,
I'm scared.
no, I'm freaked out.
I'm freaked out.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't have enough sleep last night.
Okay.
Say why?
Why?
Because I was working. I was working late, so I'm sleepy.
Okay.
I'm yawning. I'm yawning. So say, okay, instead of saying I'm sleepy,
Okay.
you can say I'm zonked.
I'm zonked.
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 Zonked. Yeah.
Zonked.
Yeah, I'm zonked. It's like I'm so sleepy.
So
Like,
sleepy.
yeah, I can't even just open my eyes. I'm zonked.
I'm zonked.
Yeah, I have to sleep. So in that case, instead of saying I have to sleep, you can say I'm ready to hit the sack. I'm ready
I'm ready
to hit the sack.
to eat the
It
sack.
means I'm ready to go to sleep.
I'm ready to go to sleep.
Yeah, go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Yeah.
I'm ready to hit the sack.
I'm ready to hit the sack.
I'm zonked.
I'm zonked. Very good. Dankeschön. Yeah, I was telling you. I was working last night and I didn't go out for more than 4 days. So how's
Okay.
the weather outside?
It's cold.
Yeah, it is rainy or
It's rain.
Yeah?
It's rainy.
is it?
Rainy, cold.
So if it's raining, you can say it's raining, okay. But if it's raining heavily, you can say it's pouring.
It's pouring.
It's pouring. It means it's raining heavily.
Raining heavily.
Yes. No. Just say it's pouring. It means it's raining heavily. Or you can say it's raining cats and dogs. Again, it means it's raining heavily. So
It's pouring.
it's pouring.
It's raining. Heavy.
It's raining cats and dogs.
It's raining cats and dogs.
Yes, it's raining cats and dogs. It's pouring.
It's pouring.
It's raining cats
It's
and
raining
dogs.
cats and
Yes,
dogs.
two different expressions. One of them is an idiom, and another one is like slang form of that just expression. Yeah, pouring.
Pouring.
Yeah,
Cats and dogs.
cats and dogs. Now imagine the weather is sunny.
Okay.
How do you say instead of that word? I mean, it's sunny. You can say it's blazing.
It's blazing.
Yes, it means it's sunny. It's blazing.
It's blazing. It's
It's blazing. Yeah,
blazing.
simple. Or you can say the sun is splitting the stones.
the sun is splitting.
Splitting.
Splitting a stone.
Yeah, split means just divide, cut in half. It's like it's that hot that the stones are splitting by the sun. So the sun is splitting the stones.
The sun is splitting a stone.
It's blazing.
It's blazing.
Yes, it's so hot. It's sunny.
Sunny.
Yes. So that was all about today. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to watch other videos. It's a free English class. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.